to my channel. If you don't know me, then that means you're not subscribed. So what are you waiting for? Remember to click the red subscribe button down below. Click the bell next to the subscribe button. Activate the notifications and you'll be part of the awesome squad. Today I'm so excited because this video is actually about slime, but not just making slime at home, because today we have the Karina Garcia slime kit. Oh! So happy, so excited. Oh my god. Oh! I love Karina Garcia. She's the slime queen.
Turn down for what?
So without further ado, let's get started!
I can't stay.
Let's get opening! It comes in the goodie bag and it says, ready, set, go! Our instructions. So it says, I got my spoons. So cute. Okay, so the following, so cute. She has her own bowl of slime. Oh, you can put your name here. Then she has slime activator. Don't wait, activator. So neat. Clear slime goo. So this is not glue. It's goo, it's kind of watery. And then, me and my mom and grandma love this. Bubble wrap, but I don't want to pop it. And then we got a straw to mix. We have water gel, glitter. Color tablets, which is basically the food coloring. Glow in the dark powder. Turn off the lights and watch it glow. Oh, she has her own white glue. So cute. First slime we're going to do is called the translucent slime. I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of slime glue. And now I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of activator. And then close activator. Ooh, that looks really cool. I'm just gonna mix. It's already forming slime. So cool. Oh my god. Yes. This is so cool. Oh my god. It's already slime, I think. I'm just keep mixing and mixing. Okay, so I think it's done already. So now I'm just gonna take it with my hands. Oh my god, this feels so cool. Yo, that's so cool. This is so cool. And fun fact, Karina Garcia has actually been working for this for 1 year. Let's pour in some glitter. Now let's just mix. Ooh, that looks really pretty. so the slime is getting to its form. It's really pretty. It's super stretchy. So cool. Cool. Super pokeable too. Wait, you saw that bubble? Okay, so I'm super excited to make this slime because it's cloud slime. To start making this, I'm going to add color tablets, which is basically coloring. I'm gonna choose purple. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of water. Oh, so cool. Mix. Like build a science guy.
Build a science guy. Science rules.
But Sammy the science girl. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of the water gel. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of glue. Okay, I'm so excited to try this glue in 1, 2, 3. I knew it. Now I'm just gonna mix it. Yeah, my little brothers here. You wanna be in the camera? Be in the camera. Hello, everybody. It's me, Tiago, the famous YouTube star. Okay, so after mixing everything in, you add 1 tablespoon of water. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water gel because I think it's way too watery. Now, to make the slime, I'm going to 2 teaspoons of the activator. Mix everything. It's looking good.
So we're gonna actually add it slowly because you guys gotta remember when you're adding any type of activator, you don't want to add it too fast.
Yeah,
Maybe
I
one
want to
teaspoon at a time. I'm gonna get my hands in there and start kneading a little bit.
Okay, so now I'm gonna get my hands in there. Jack, what are you doing? Are you getting off that head?
Yeah, go.
This is so cool. She says it's crystal gel cloud slime crystal. Tell me in the comments if you want me to make a cloud slime. Now to make the glow in the dark slime, you will need to add 3 tablespoons of white craft glue and activator. I'm going to add the glow powder. Now I'm just going to add the glow in the dark powder. This is really cool. Look at this. That looks cool. That is cool. And mix everything in. If you think it's not too slime, then try to add some more activator little by little. Mine is slime already. It's super cool. Oh my god, look at Tiago. He is so cute. He's so happy. Dad just gave us a life hack. If you put the light like close and you turn it off immediately and you film, it looks so amazing. So this is the magic moment. Ready to see it? 1, 2, 3. It looks really, really cool. Oh my god. Which it's really pretty. It's super cool. Oh my god, guys, I can't stand it. Oh my god, guys. Karina, Garcia, Slime Kid, they were amazing. If you love Karina Garcia, then give this video a like. And if you're like, and also remember to subscribe for more. Comment below if you already bought this slime kit. If you don't have it, you should definitely buy it. It's the best slime kit ever. See you guys in another video. Awesome squad. Bye-bye. Oh, and also subscribe to Karina Garcia. Bye-bye.